Smirk. Smirk. A sly or smug smile.
He had a smirk on his face when he won. She tried not to smirk at the joke.
Giggle. Giggle. A light, silly laugh.
The children giggle when they play. I heard her giggle during the movie.
Bug. Bug. To annoy someone.
Please don't bug me while I'm studying. The loud noise began to bug him.
Grin. Grin. A big smile.
She had a big grin when she saw her friend. His grin showed that he was happy.
Embrace. Embrace. To hug someone.
They share a warm embrace after the long trip. An embrace can show love and comfort.
Throw up. Throw up. To vomit.
He felt sick and had to throw up. After eating too much, she might throw up.
Turn up. Turn up. To arrive or appear.
I hope you will turn up at the party. She didn't expect her friend to turn up at her house.
Fetch. Fetch. To go get something.
Can you fetch me a glass of water? The dog loves to fetch the ball.
Slam. Slam. To shut something forcefully, making a loud noise.
She slammed the door in anger. Don't slam your book, it might break.
Stroll. Stroll. To walk slowly.
They like to stroll in the park after dinner. A stroll by the beach is relaxing.
Loathe. Loathe. To strongly dislike or hate something.
I loathe waking up early in the morning. She loathes the taste of spinach.
Posh. Posh. Fancy or stylish.
They went to a posh restaurant for dinner. Her dress was very posh and elegant.
Eyesore. Eyesore. Something very ugly.
The old building is an eyesore in the city. That bright sign is an eyesore at night.
Doze off. Doze off. To fall asleep briefly.
I dozed off during the boring lecture. He often dozes off while watching TV.
Ditch. Ditch. To get rid of something or someone.
They decided to ditch their old car. She wants to ditch her bad habits.
Stumble. Stumble. To trip while walking.
I stumbled over a rock while walking. He tends to stumble when he is tired.
Clueless. Clueless. Not knowing anything.
She was clueless about the surprise party. He felt clueless during the math test.
Disposable. Disposable. Made to be used once.
We use disposable plates for the picnic. The disposable camera is easy to carry.
Belch. Belch. To make a loud gas sound from the stomach.
After eating, he let out a loud belch. It's polite not to belch at the table.
Screech. Screech. A loud, sharp sound.
The car made a screech when it stopped suddenly. I heard a screech from the bird in the tree.